Welcome back to Tools and Cars with Chris. Today we're going to be putting in these Oxilam LED lights. We're going to put them in my fog lights here. So I've had these fog lights in here for about 2 years maybe. After a year the light bulb stops working. They dim out and you can't see nothing. Like, they're on. You can see. Yeah, they're on. But they don't work at all. But all you need to do this is literally a Phillips head screwdriver. All you're gonna need. So you pull out these handful of Phillips head screws. You got one right here, here, and you should have one here as well. And then you get this little clip right here, and I think that's it. And then you can just pull this down and pull it out of the way. You know, my car's a little messed up, so I'm not gonna do all that today. You can also go behind this right here, behind your wheel well. But my car, you know, it's a little messed up, so I'm just gonna reach back down in there. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and do this side first, because, you know, I want to show y'all when it gets dark what it looks like, and this side's easier to get to. All right, guys. So on this side, I'm gonna show y'all. I told y'all to go under this plastic right here, like I said on the other side. That's how you find your lights, or behind your wheel well. Mine's all missing, so I'm gonna do this side first. And this is your fog light. I think on the other side I pointed at this light. That's your blinker. I'm sorry, but you just do a quarter turn to the left, and it comes right out. And then you pull it down and unplug it. To unplug it, all you gotta do is you press this button in right here and separate the plug. So I'm doing this one-handed, so I'm gonna set y'all down for just a quick second. All right, I realized I said push that button down. My bad. What you do is you pull this tab up. You don't push on it, and then you just jiggle your little plug out. You know, it's got dirt and stuff in there, so it's a little hard to get out. But that's my old light. They look pretty good, but that fella there is trash. So let's see what we got in our new box. Like I said, you got the Oxilam LED. I will post a coupon code or whatever if y'all want to go ahead and use that. Go to their website. I think you'll get like 10 or 15% off, something like that. But you open the box up, and they give you some nice white gloves so you don't touch the LED, because, you know, that's no good. That'll burn out your light if you touch them. It'll put oils on it, and it won't burn it out, but you'll have oils. You don't want to touch that yellow right there, because your finger will leave oil on it, and that'll mess up the way the lights actually work. They won't produce as much light as they should. So anyways, you got a manual. Tells you how to put all the lights in all your different makes and models, whatever bulb size you get. And then this is our actual light we got here. So they come in an aluminum housing. They're feel pretty nice, you know, compared to this one. To the LED, that's the most important part, is where that LED sits. So they're about the same place, but you know, you got the built-in fan. You know, this one had like a little resistor thingy, but this is a much smaller bundle. And then let's check out the back. In the back you got LED 6500K, that's your color. So you get like a nice white color. And then, you know, aluminum. There's your product code, stuff like that. Alright, so to put this in, literally all you're gonna do is grab your clip. Make sure it's facing the right way. You want that little tab to grab. You want that little tab to grab on that tab there. So you snap that guy in there. Push it together until it clicks. That way you know it's in there nice and good. And then find your hole, right there and twist it to the right clockwise until it gets seated in there nice and flat, and give it a quarter turn. All right, so let's turn these on real quick. We're gonna go in here, turn these on real fast, see how they look. So look at my other videos. This car didn't come with fog lights. It's a S model, so I had to take this off and install new levers here, and you get a new one here that has your fog light switch on it. That's the only difference. It's all there. You just gotta do it yourself. Oh, I got them off. Sorry guys. There we go. It'd help if I turned all the lights on, right? Look at that. Yeah. So let's see if I can get my headlights off and just the fog lights on. And I cannot. But as you can see, that's the fog light here, going all the way back. And on this side, nothing. There we go. Got a little bit of light. I think that's coming from that. So there we go. It looked pretty good. Nice white color. Let's see if I can see it. Oh look, you can kind of see it. It's not dark yet, but you can see the leaves lighting up down there. We'll wait till it gets nighttime out. It gets a little dark. I'll come out here and show y'all again, but that's that. So there you go. That's the old ones after about a year or two, and here's the new ones. So that's the Oxilam LEDs, y'all. I'll let y'all know in about a year or two if they hold up. You know, I thought the other ones were good. They looked real well when I first put them in, but they didn't last. We'll see. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, you know, come back for the video next time. So here's the lights at night. We got the new one, and that's the old one over there. You got to see on the ground right there, and then you don't see nothing on the ground over there. And then I'm gonna throw the other one in real quick, show y'all what it look like. That's without the fog lights, just my normal headlights. And there's the fog lights. See all this light right there? That's all the fog light. And then that little white line up there is the headlights.